In the metallurgical industry, chromite is mainly used to produce ferrochrome alloy and chromium metal. Chromium is mainly used in smelting special alloys with cobalt, nickel, tungsten, and other elements. The correct operation, mode, and process of chromium or ball pressing machine is very important, such as the chromium or ball pressing machine is put into production before starting. Then in the startup process is in a high load state, not only electricity, but also very bad for the equipment. The motor of chrome or ball press is the key to how much electricity is used. After buying the ball press, it is certain that we should pay attention to energy saving in the matching of the motor. Therefore, in the purchase of motor, not only to match the equipment, but also to reduce power consumption. In order to improve the efficiency of the chromium or pressure ball machine itself, for example, the motor self-cooling fan is replaced by other cold fans, and the air cooler can be stopped in winter when the load is very small, or the outdoor motor, so as to reduce energy consumption.